Turn to your right. Step your right foot forward, lower your left knee, and lift your arms into a low lunge. Hold the pose and keep breathing slowly. This opens up your hips and helps release tightness from sitting too long. Slowly return to center and get ready to switch to the other side. Feel the same length and strength as you glide into the other side. Hold the pose and feel the stretch. Keep breathing gently. Step back and return to center, your body now more open and even. Turn to your right and gently bring your left foot forward, bending the knee. Let your right leg stretch out long behind you. Place your hands beside you and lift your chest proudly. Now hold the pose. Keep breathing gently. This pose gently opens your hips, stretches your thighs, and releases lower back tension. A perfect break from long hours of sitting. Slowly return to center and get ready to switch to the other side. Feel the same length and strength as you glide into the other side. Hold the pose and feel the stretch. Keep breathing gently. Well done. Get up slowly. Your hips, back, and legs are feeling more open now. Get ready for the next pose. Turn facing the right. Gently step your right foot back and lower the right knee to the mat. Then bend the right leg and reach your right hand to hold your right foot. Left hand on left knee. Hold the pose and breathe gently. This pose opens your hips and stretches the front of your thighs. It helps release tightness from too much sitting and improves your posture. Slowly return to center and get ready to switch to the other side. Bring your right foot forward this time and settle into the pose. Hold the pose and feel the stretch. Keep breathing gently. Gently bring your leg back and return to standing tall. Feel the balance and openness through your hips and legs. If this practice brought you ease, do like and subscribe for more, and check the pinned comment for more sessions curated just for you. Bye for now.